Python threads, how do event and queue work together? I was talking with my friend, after looking at example from Beasley's book. My friend argues that sole purpose of event is to block the main thread until the other thread performs set operation. Is that true? How can we watch thread execution?
Python threads, how do event and queue work together? They don't. You can use events without queues and queues without events. There's no dependency on each other. Your example just happens to use both. My friend argues that sole purpose of event is to block the main thread until the other thread performs set operation. Is that true? Calling .wait on an event object will block any calling thread until the internal flag is .set. If you look at the source for event, you'll find that events just consist of a condition variable with a lock and a Boolean flag plus methods to handle and communicate to waiting threads state changes of that flag. How can we watch thread execution? A simple method would be to apply some sort of utility function that prints out what you're interested in, for example. Another possibility would be to use logging like in this answer. Not sure what Beasley wanted to demonstrate with the code you showed, but it seems a little over-engineered to me for this simple task. Involving events here on top is unnecessary when you already use a queue. You can initialize thread termination by passing a sentinel value. Here's a simplified version of your example with sentinel, stop, and some info prints with print_info from above. Output.